What's up, Best Bounce TV? Today we just picked up a brand new inflatable. It is the Glitch Combo by Big and Bright Inflatables. We're gonna unbox it, show you everything you need to know. Without further ado, let's get straight to it. All right, guys, so I already got it out of the truck. Here it is. This is the Glitch Combo. It's kind of the little picture that they show. We got the stakes right here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 stakes it comes with. Just like the last unit, this right here comes with some patches in case you ever need to patch it. Looks like they got all the colors that comes on this unit, just in case you need to patch anything. Looks like they covered all the colors. We also got the blower right here, which we'll get into in a minute. But let's go ahead and get this thing unwrapped. Alright, so we got it in position, got the cover off. They usually come with these double D rings, and I do like the way they tie them. All right, go ahead and unroll it. By the way, these are my goofy children. This is Lincoln. This is Josh Jr. This is Owen. All right, so first look before we even open it, it looks like they got these vents. We're gonna make sure all these are closed, because if you miss that before, once you start blowing it up, you'll try to figure out where the air is leaking from. Looks like we got 2 of those. They're anchor points, stainless steel D-rings. These are always good. Looks like this is our blower tube side, so when we unfold this, the entrance is going to be over here. This thing's pretty heavy. Looks like they got a tarp. This is a tarp that hooks on underneath. That's cool. Big and Bright includes that with, I think, most of their units now. This is good quality. Now we're going to walk around and look for all of the zipper vents. Make sure they're all closed. All right, let's get this blower open. This is a 2 horsepower blower. They got this X figure on the front, easy to wrap your cord around. Alright guys, so here's the Glitch Combo. One of the reasons I bought this, or many reasons I bought this, I personally love this unit. Not a lot of units do I buy because I love them. I think it's because they're gonna rent well, but I think both about this one. Lots of cool features on this one, vibrant colors. It's not just like catered to one theme. So where, you know, if you buy like a Minecraft or any certain specific theme, this caters to all gaming. That's what I like about this one. The dual lane, the colors pop. I think it's super awesome. The one you didn't meet yet, that's my daughter Zoe, jumping with her glasses. All right guys, so here it is, the Glitch Combo from Big and Bright Inflatables. First look, nice size entrance. You got these cool Mario stairs. Looks like you got a spot here for business cards, or they already recommend putting your QR codes. There's also a QR code for user guide and safety material. You also got your safety material printed right here. Easy for customers to see. The inside colors are super dope. It's a double lane slide, full-size basketball hoop. This blower actually doesn't seem very loud compared to some of these other ones. Again, on the blower tube, you got your serial number, your manufacturing date. This is their clean out system. This will be the second unit that I have with this. And what I like about this one is the fact that it runs along the seams. So when you're blowing or sweeping out, literally along the seams, you will be blowing out this way, not against the grain that way. That's super cool. You got two blower tubes, one straight, one angled in case you're up against a fence or have space issues. You got another air vent right here. The smiley face headphones. So these green patches, they include these in the box in case you want to swap them out for the smiley faces if you don't like them, but it's just an option. Another thing they include for you. This is definitely for your hose. If you're running a hose up along here and your hose would connect and go up that way. You got your slide. You got the cool glitch graphics up front. Then you got your headphones and your player one. Dual lane slide. Inflated / deep pool. So what's cool about these units, that you could use this dry and land on a soft inflated landing, or as it fills with water, it pushes the air out and becomes a deep pool. You got your hose connection up there, which would sprinkle water down both sides. They even have, I don't know if you could see that, but they got those just little blue straps up there in case you wanted to run your own hose system, or if anything ever goes wrong with theirs, you have a backup option. You get a close up. This is where your hose would attach. It has shutoffs, so you could shut off one side or shut off the other, or even control the water flow. And then the huge controller, the graphics on the top, these colors are popping. Take a walk inside. You have a zipper here to close off if you want kids to stay out. Pretty big jump area. Full-size basketball hoop. This is a cool feature. They got a TV. They do make one that comes with a gamer chair right here. I personally chose not to get it because I want a bigger bounce area. The gamer chair is definitely a cool add-on, but for me, I'd rather have more fun, more room for bouncing. We got the stairs right here with safety instructions. More safety instructions. You got your emergency exit. I broke one of my own rules. I got my keys in here. Take a little slide down here. Kids can't jump here. You have to slide down. I think this thing's gonna be super popular, do really well. All right, last but not least, I want to give a huge shout out to Matt and Haley from Big and Bright Inflatables. This unit wasn't supposed to come till June. It is March 9th, and Matt actually called me personally about a week and a half ago, and he said, hey, we got one that someone delayed their order. Do you want it? I said yes. It came 3 days later, so I just want to say thank you. You guys should go check them out. Big and Bright Inflatables, huge shout out to them. This unit is badass. We're gonna go jump a little bit. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Drop a comment if I can answer any questions for you. Appreciate you guys watching. Peace.